Hey, namaste and hello everyone and welcome back to Fun Mathology. I am Raja, your math expert, and today we'll take up a new topic, that is factors and multiples. Now, have you ever wondered what makes a number? Now today we are going to unlock the secrets behind numbers by learning about factors and multiples. Now, we'll start with a basic definition. Now, what is a factor? Now, a factor is a number which divides the other number exactly without any remainder. Now, what does this mean? For example, if I take the dividend as 20 and let's say divisor as 4, it is evident that 20 is exactly divisible by 4. So 4, 5, 20. Got it? So here 4 is the factor of 20. 4 is the factor of 20. So a factor is a number which divides the other number exactly without any remainder. So there is no remainder. Got it? Now I'll give an example here. See, I'll write 1 into 30, that is 30. I'll write 2 multiplied by 15, that is 30. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30, and 10 multiplied by 3, that is 30. Got it? So here the numbers that are multiplied to get a product. So see the numbers, let's say this particular instance, the numbers that are multiplied to get a product can divide the product without a remainder. See, so 2 multiplied by 15 is 30. So if I am multiplying two numbers to get this product, the product is exactly divisible by these numbers. So 30 is exactly divisible by 15. 15 to 30. Got it? So I can say that the numbers that are multiplied to get the product can divide the product without a remainder. And now these are the factors. So this and these are the factors of 30. So if I multiplied 5 by 6 to get a product 30, so I can say 30 is exactly divisible by 5 and 6. Hence 5 and 6 are the factors of 30. So from this instance I can say 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30 are said to be the factors of 30. Got it? So this is the initial or the basic definition of a factor. I hope you have understood how the factors are worked out. See, there are many ways that we can get the factors of a number. So we'll come later on. In the later chapters, we'll study the details of how the factors are been extracted from about a number. Got it? So see, from this small discussion, so we can write certain important facts about the factors. So it is evident, see, a number has at least two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So the 1 and the number itself. So we'll see in case of a prime number, the factors will be 1 and the number itself. We'll study about the prime numbers later on. So we'll study prime numbers in this chapter only. But in this session, we'll just give a hint. So see, for the prime numbers, you can see 1 and the other number itself has to be the factor of a number. So at least these two factors are there. 1 is the smallest one. So this is the smallest. And the number is the greatest factor. So 1 is the smallest and the number given is the greatest factor. Now all other factors are greater than 1. You can see all greater than 1 and lesser than the number itself. So see, all other factors lie between the smallest and the greatest factor. Got it? So these are the important facts about the factors. If you want to take notes, pause the video and you can take a pen and paper and take down the notes. So this is the initial definition of factors and certain facts about factors. Let's move on to the next section, that is, what are multiples? Now, multiples of a number means the product of that number and any other number, right? So let's see, 8 into 2 is 16, right? So multiple of a number, let's say of a number, means the product of that number and any other number, right? Gives you the multiple. So 16 is the multiple of 8. I'll give an example here. Let's see. If I write multiples of 8, see, 8 multiplied by 1 is 8, 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, 8 multiplied by 3 is 24, 8 multiplied by 4 is 32, so on and so forth. So basically multiples means nothing but the table of that number. See, 8 ones are, 8 twos are, 8 threes are, 8 fours are, and so on. So I can write multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, it goes on to infinity. Got it? So it is nothing but, please remember student, it is nothing but the table of itself. If somebody asks you to find out the multiples of any number, just go ahead and try to work out the table of that number starting from 1. So if somebody asks you to find out the multiples of 9, so go ahead and start multiplying 9 by 1, then 9 by 2, then 9 by 3 and 9 by 4, etc. But obviously when you get a question on multiples, the question will be specific. For example, because you can see it is evident, I'll discuss about the facts, but it is evident that multiples are infinite. So teacher will ask you to find out the first 4 multiples or maybe first 5 multiples of a number. So you will know from where to where you have to go to find out the multiple of a number. Got it? So example, let's take another example. So this is example 1, I'll take an example 2. If I say find 5 multiples, as I was discussing, find 5 multiples 10, 5 multiples of 10 greater than 25. So I was asked to find out the 5 multiples of 10 which is supposed to be greater than 25. Now as I said, it is nothing but a table of a 10. Let's say I've given a number 10, so it is a multiple of 10, means a table of a 10. So if I start from 1, 10 ones are 10, has to be greater than 25, so I will not consider this. 10 multiplied by 2 is 20, I will not consider this. 10 multiplied by 3 is 30, it's greater than 25, so I'll consider this. Next, 5 multiples. So apart from this, I have to find out another 4. So 10 into 4 is 40, I'll consider this. 10 into 5 is 50, I'll consider this. 10 into 6 is 60, I'll consider this, and 10 into 7 is 70. So the 5 multiples of 10 which are greater than 25 is 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Now you know what to do when a simple question of multiples is given to you. So from this simple discussion and the definition of multiples, let's study the important facts about multiples. So every number, please note, every number is the smallest multiple of itself, because see, multiples of 8, it starts from 8 multiplied with 1 to get 8. So it starts from itself. So every number is the smallest multiple of itself. Every number is multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1 because it starts from 1. For a number, it has infinite number of multiples. So multiples are infinite. Got it? Whereas see, in factors, so factors are finite. You can count them. It is not, a number doesn't have infinite factors. But in multiples, it has infinite number of multiples, and all multiples of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself. So all the multiples are greater than or equal to the number that you have been asked to find out the multiples of. Got it? I hope this clears the basic definition of what are factors and what are multiples. So let's see what are the key takeaways and the quick summary of today's class. So see, I have drawn a basic table. In the left hand side I have written multiples, and on the right hand side I have written factors. So from the basic discussion, I can say that every number is a multiple of 1 and the number itself, as we have studied. And in factors, 1 is a factor of every number that we have studied. We have also studied that multiples are infinite, but factors are finite. So we have seen that smallest multiple is the number itself, and all other multiples are greater than the number. Whereas in the factor, every factor is either smaller than or equal to the given number. Got it? Also, please try to remember two other takeaways for factors. That is, every number is a factor of itself, and every factor of a number is also its divisor, because it is dividing the number exactly without a remainder. Got it? So I hope you like the initial discussion of the factors and the multiples. This is just the starting of the chapter. So I have started in a smaller note to give you the basic idea about what factors and multiples are. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll soon meet in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.